Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing taquitos, and I'm going to do these in the air fryer. Okay, yep, I've been doing a lot of air fryer recipes lately, but these work amazing. Alright, I've got all my ingredients ready, a little bit of avocado like that, and I'm going to give that a smoosh up with the back of a fork. Alright, just really nice and simple to do. Alright, so just give those a little bit of mush up. We don't want a guacamole type consistency, but we want, you know, a little bit of a softer recipe. Little bit of spring onion that can go straight in as well, like that. And a little bit of salt. I'm using a little bit of pink Himalayan rock salt there that I've freshly ground in. Give those all a little bit of a stir, and I'm going to add in a little bit of coriander leaf, just like that. Right, and if you haven't tried making your own taquitos before, you don't know what you're missing. They are amazing. Give that all a good stir, just like we've done right there. A little bit of freshly ground black pepper that can go straight in as well. You can use white pepper if you really want to, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of lime juice like that. Alright, give that all a really good stir, and the avocado will break down in no time at all. I'm going to add in a little bit of Greek yogurt as well, right, around about 150 ml. That can go straight in, just like that, and this is going to be our dipping sauce for our taquitos. Alright, so we're going to give that all a really good stir through and make sure all of our flavors are combined. Alright, really important. Alright, our sauce is done. Let's start making our taquitos. 1 400-gram can of red kidney beans, which I have rinsed and given that a bit of a good thorough cleaning through with a bit of water through a colander to get rid of any impurities and anything else. Alright, also I'm going to add in a little bit of freshly ground garlic. In goes that. We're going to give that all a good stir, and we're going to give that a mash through with the back of the fork once again. Alright, once that is done, I'm going to add in a little bit more of our spring onion, just like that. That can go straight in, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of ground cumin, around about 1 tablespoon's worth. Alright, give that all a good stir through once again. Alright, and here we've got our chicken mince. We're going to use around about 250 grams of that. That can all get mixed straight through, just like that. Really simple to do, and everything is starting to combine. As you can see, things are getting a little bit thicker. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. That can go straight in and give all of that a really good stir. And look at the way that is all coming together. Everything is starting to absorb each other, and I've got the gloves on once again. I've got around about a tablespoon's worth ish of our chicken mince. We're going to put that into our gloves, give that a roll through, and we've got some beautiful flour tortillas, and all we have to do now is roll these through. Now start paying attention. We're going to roll these through around about half of the way through. I'm going to fold the edges in just like that, and we're going to roll those all the way through to the end. Now try and keep the cut edge down, as I have done there. We've got a beautiful little cosita. Alright, so we're going to keep going along with the rest of them, just like that. Alright, and I'm putting this fast forward so you won't get bored. Okay, so we're just going to make these up, put them on a tray, and let them sit for a little bit of time. And there we go. We've got them all lined up together. These beautiful little taquitos. Spread them a little bit of spray oil. Give them a little bit of a flip, just like that. and we're going to flip and spray each side like that. Right, our air fryer is sitting at around about 200 degrees. Right, we've already given that a bit of a warm up. We've got a tray sitting on the side ready to go for when they are absolutely fried. If you want to use a deep fryer, you can. The air fryer, a little bit healthier than I'm finding lately. Alright, we're going to take out our taquitos like that, put them on the side. We've cooked those off for around about 8 minutes or so, and they'll be absolutely perfect. Okay, so we're going to keep doing those in batches. Alright, so 200 degrees, 8 minutes, and look, give them a flip of around about half the way through, and you'll end up with absolutely beautiful, perfect air fry taquitos like that. Alright, serve it up with a little bit of dipping sauce, a little bit of extra cilantro or coriander over the top, so it looks really pretty, just like that. And there you go, you got KP's air fryer taquitos. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Really easy to do, really healthy, and really budget. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading, and I do respond to all valid comments, all put up on the channel. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really simple and Mexican like this, and whether we use a deep fryer, the air fryer, or a shallow fryer, or whatever, well, you need to come and join the family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eating my air fryer taquitos, and I will catch you next time. Bye!